It's a great tool. I think every tool that can help my engineers to do less the things that are annoying and more things that are engineering that are actually interesting, it makes it better for them to, wake up and come to work because it's nicer work. It's not dealing with all the, work that no one wants to do. When I'm boarding new employees, I want them to be able, to be very proficient in those tools because this is the future. The future, engineering is advancing. We're not sketching on boards anymore with rulers and pencils. We're using SolidWorks and PDM and PLM. It's different. There is another jump, and we just need to be ready for it. That's all.